Home Remedies presents Here's how to use apple cider vinegar safely. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you some guidelines on how to use apple cider vinegar safely. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. Apple cider vinegar has gained a reputation as a cure-all. Supporters say it can help with everything from weight loss to reducing the risk of cancer. Many people consider it to be a magical cure for almost everything. Well, all this positive information can be a little misleading because people forget the fact that too much of anything can be harmful. Yes, apple cider vinegar is amazing, but you don't need to chug it multiple times a day to see the results you want to. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apples. The fermentation process turns the sugars of the apples into alcohol, which bacteria then convert into acetic acid. The acetic acid and its nutritional profile are what give this vinegar a reputation for being healthy. Let's take a look at some of the side effects of apple cider vinegar. A decrease in potassium levels. ACV is acidic in nature, therefore it lowers the potassium levels in the body. Too much decrease of potassium can lead to weakness and fatigue, constipation, muscle cramps, or irregular heart rhythm. So, it is more worrisome for the people taking high blood pressure medication to lower the potassium levels, which can drastically drop the blood pressure. Digestion problems. Appetite regulating effect of apple cider vinegar comes from the fact that apple cider vinegar slows down the stomach's emptying process and makes you feel full for longer duration. But it can also lead to nausea, diarrhea, and indigestion. Apple cider vinegar is a well-known drink for weight loss, but its intense use can cause many digestive problems. Tooth enamel damage. Undiluted apple cider vinegar is acidic enough to severely damage the tooth enamel, so it's obvious that you need to dilute it. To protect your teeth, rinse your mouth with plain water immediately after or use a straw to drink it. Brittle bones. Too much apple cider vinegar can leave you with a decreased bone density. An extreme case can lead to osteoporosis, which is very uncommon and rare in young people. Headaches. The vigorous detoxification process due to the large amounts of ACV in the bloodstream causes the brain to release harmful toxins, which leads to headaches. Lower minerals. Even though the detoxification gets rid of the bad toxins from our body, the ACV cannot distinguish between the good and the bad. So it gets rid of all types of toxins, which flushes out most of the minerals that are needed in our body. Therefore, a safe amount of apple cider vinegar should be consumed. Drug reactions. The acetic acid quickly combines with other drugs present in the body, resulting in a more intense effect of the drug. It can cause harmful reactions through the body, so you should definitely avoid consumption of apple cider vinegar if you are on medication. Skin burns. Severe burns and permanent damage to the skin tissues can result from the use of ACV. Though it is rare but ultimately possible side effect anytime you put undiluted apple cider vinegar on the skin, which is why dermatologists does not recommend putting it or any other highly acidic products on the face. They are just too harsh. The conclusion. Apple cider vinegar comes with a few health concerns. It is not safe for everyone, especially when consumed at full strength. It is recommended to stick to a 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon serving if you are ingesting it, and be sure to dilute it first. The vinegar should be mixed in at least 8 ounces of water and sip your apple cider vinegar drink right before your meal. Taken before a meal, the vinegar drink can help you feel fuller faster, which can aid in weight loss. If your stomach burns or your teeth hurt, then apple cider vinegar is not for you. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.